Grab your chef hat and whisk. It's time to get cooking. Crave is the latest VBS theme from Group Publishing, and we are so excited to tell you all about it. Hi VBS Directors, I'm Lauren from Concordia Supply, and welcome to our first look at VBS 2027 series. In this video, we are covering the latest VBS theme released by Group titled Crave. This VBS takes kids away to a factory of sweets, treats, and faith-filled fun, where they'll meet lovable food-themed friends and discover that Jesus is the sweetest friend of all. Let's take a deeper dive into this theme together. First, the setting. This theme transforms your church into a factory of sweets, treats, and a whole lot of fun. Think Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, but now expanded with all of your favorite foods. Decorating your church with oversized machinery, chef hats, whisks, and aprons will bring a whole new level of creativity to your VBS. But the best part is the message it teaches kids. Every year, Group intentionally creates and field tests their VBS to be an unforgettable Bible experience, and Crave is exactly that. This theme takes kids on a journey through the Gospel of Luke, highlighting Jesus' ministry. Over 5 days, kids will explore how Jesus modeled love to his friends through miracles, meals, and moments that changed everything. Each day builds to a Bible point that has kids saying, "Thank you, Jesus." VBS directors will love Crave because it shows kids that Jesus is the sweetest friend. Filled with Bible stories from the book of Luke and Bible memory buddies like Maple the Waffle and Cece the Orange, this VBS will be truly unforgettable. Now is the time to secure your ultimate starter kit for Crave VBS at concordiasupply.com/VBS and unlock a free gift from our VBS 2027 collection. This offer is available for a limited time, so grab your new VBS gift while you can. For more insights, ideas, and every resource you need for VBS, visit us at concordiasupply.com/VBS or chat with one of our experts at 1-800-521-0751. We are here and ready to help you plan your best VBS from start to finish.